Hi EverQuest 2 community, my name is Creus, and today I want to show you how to multi-box effectively in EverQuest 2 using only Windows software. You're not using any bots, hacks, auto hotkeys, it's all manual play using the simplicity of Windows features. As you can see here, I've got my main tank. He's my paladin. I love him, he's tons of fun. I've got my Fury, my Mystic, my Troubadour, and a Wizard who's off on my right screen. And I box these five along with one of my best friends who plays an illusionist, and we're going to be playing on the new Origin server once that releases. Currently, we're on the beta server, testing things out, having a blast. And there's been a few times in the game in where I've been questioned about my play style, and I just want to put this out there to show you that I am a legitimate true boxer when it comes to playing this game. And I am going to show you how to do this if you want to try it out on your own. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I want to show you first, the most important thing is this active window tracking. Now the active window tracking, as you can see when my mouse hovers over, it highlights the title bar and it tells you which one you're on. And this is a Windows feature. And so the way you're going to go into this is you're going to go into your control panel. You're going to go to this Ease of Access Center where the Microsoft robot guy will talk to us once we enter.
Always scan this section.
And what we're going to want to go to is make the mouse easier to use. We'll click on this, and you're going to turn on this activate a window by hovering over it with the mouse. And you'll go ahead and hit OK. Now I've already got it on, and by default this has a 500 millisecond delay, and we'll want to change that, otherwise there's going to be a half-second lag as you're going in between each window. So in your H key current user in your regedit, you're going to go to your desktop, this active WND TRK timeout. You're going to modify that. I just changed mine to 0. No delay, and it works great. Once you have that set up, you can see we can start testing this out. I can go across all of my windows and activate them on the fly. Now, I will go over hotkeys with you. The hotkeys that I use is 1 through 4, QERF. I do that with Shift with a couple additional in there. And then I do that with my Alt. And then the important one, which I set up on my hotbar 4, is I use the number 2 over and over and over again on abilities to spam. These are typically like my DPS abilities, things I don't need to manually press or concern myself with, where I just hover over and I'm spamming them. The other thing is you want to set up a follow. Obviously, you want to follow your main tank, whoever that is. And then you want an assist macro. And if you haven't made socials before, they're great. You just click on this EQ2 icon down here. You go to socials. You can create all sorts of macros in here. Pretty intuitive. So I have my assists, and then I turn attack on. It's targeting what I'm targeting. Because EverQuest 2 has heal through targeted target, you're able to heal through the mob you have targeted, which is great. And then all your guys are assisting and attacking and auto-following through the process. So I believe that covers everything. So I want to show you just how this works in general. So I've got my paladin out here, but I need to now have all my characters follow me. I have Alt F set as my hotkey, so I'm going to go ahead and hit that. I went to all my windows, so now all my characters are following me. And let's go pick, a difficult encounter. We'll do this heroic scarecrow. He's a triple up heroic. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and give him a pull. I'm going to move back here. I'm going to get set up. I'm going to put myself in position. I'm going to hit my assist key on every one of my keyboards. And by keyboards, I mean every one of my screens. But hit that on every single one of my screens and start hitting the keys. As you can see, you can even get your heroic opportunities going. Uh, Boards, heals, whatever. It is a very busy play style, but it is a ton of fun. And if you guys are interested in a little bit more of a challenge in your gameplay, you don't have a lot of time in the day to sit around and look for a group. Um, Make yourself a tank, make yourself a healer, add a DPS, and go to town. It's easy to do with 3. Um, I should mention too with the windows how I've got this currently set up. If you drag your windows, you can set these up through the Windows icons right here. And so I just split them all up into 4 that way. And that's about it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Name's Crayus. You can find me on the beta server right now or in Discord. Happy to help if you have any questions. And thanks for watching my video. Take care, all.